Hello children, welcome to social study class. Chapter 17, Part 3, Nandita in Mumbai. Nandita's mother is in hospital as she is unwell and she was hospitalized. So daily Nandita goes to see her mother by a bus. This is the transportation in Mumbai. This is called BEST. So via this public transport, Nandita used to visit her mother in the hospital. Earlier she was afraid of crowded buses, but now she was used to of it. So daily she visits her mother in the hospital via this public transport used in Mumbai. Nandita's mommy worked in 7 houses as a maid. One day, mommy took Nandita at her service place. Mommy worked in 7 houses as a maid servant. She washes utensils and cleans the houses. One day, Nandita went with her. She saw the buildings, the multi-storied building in Mumbai. Earlier she saw that it was a big house, but later she came to know that there were many houses, one on top of another. She was wondered that how she would climb so many stairs, but there was a lift too. Children, lift is like a big iron cage with fan, light and even a bell. It takes people up and down in multi-storied building. So, with the help of lift, Nandita also reached at the 12th floor. It was a Bablu's house. House of Bablu's. It was a huge house. It was on 12th floor. Bablu's house has so many rooms. One to sit in, one to eat in, one to sleep in and one to cook in. Their toilet was also in the house. It took mommy a lot of time to clean Bablu's house, but she could work easily. There was a tap in the kitchen and water flowed from it. Bablu put a bucket under the tap to fill water for his bath. Then he sat down to watch TV. So much water was wasted. Nandita did not like it. And she remembered that for this water only, they all have to wake up early in the morning at 4 o'clock to take water from the public tap. So when she saw the wasting of water, she did not like it at all. Chopati in Mumbai. Chopati, it is a sea beach in Mumbai. People visit here and have fun with sea waves. The film stars also visit here. Nandita's mama had said that he would take her around to see Mumbai. The children around here talk a lot about Chopati. They say that big film stars also come here. So she was very curious to see Chopati. But unfortunately, one day Mama got a notice. This notice saddened everyone because the people said that a big hotel will be built here. Mama was saying that this is the 3rd time in the last 10 years that he got such notices. People who live here have been given another place to make their houses. So everybody was worrying about it that where they will get the new place, how mama will reach to their working place, how would mommy would reach at her working place. So there were so many questions and worries about this change. When everybody heard about the notice, they all were saddened. So they did not know what to do. They did not know what will be the new place. So they all were worrying about it. So children, this is the end of this chapter number 17. Part 1, Part 2 and Part 3 have been shared. By watching these 3 videos, I think this chapter would have been clear to you. You must have understood this chapter. So watch these videos again and again and enjoy e-learning. Thank you so much for watching these videos.